shoveling snow. I want a new toy. Mom says toys cost money. How can I get money? I look outside. There is a lot of snow. Mom says I can earn money if I shovel our driveway. That means I can make money. I can make money if I shovel our driveway. You shovel the driveway, it's because there is a lot of snow, so we need to clean up. Okay, so a driveway is like that. Okay, so you have a garage door and you have a big driveway. You can have different kinds of driveway actually. This one, it's a driveway, but it's full of snow, so we need to clean up. So let me just move this. Mom says I can earn money if I shovel our driveway. I do. It is fun. I do not have enough money for my new toy. I look around. Mrs. Jane has a shovel. Can I shovel her driveway? She says yes. I almost have enough money for my new toy. Mr. Tom has a shovel. Can I shovel his driveway? He says yes. I can get my new toy. So, who are the characters? Mom, this boy, Mrs. Jane, and Mr. Tom. Okay, so we have 4 characters. Next, where is the setting? Where is it happening? Well, probably in the house and on the driveway. Okay, in the house because the mom says, I look outside, there's a lot of snow. I look outside, so it's from the house. And after, he's going to go to the different driveways. Okay, he's going to start with his own driveway, and after Mrs. Jane's driveway, and finally with Mr. Tom's driveway. So, what is the problem? He doesn't have money to buy a new toy. How does he solve the problem? To solve the problem is to find a solution to a problem. Okay, so, well, he's going to shovel 3 different driveways to make money and buy his new toy. What other jobs could he do to earn money? Well, he could give walks to the pets. He could mow the lawn. To mow the lawn is when you're going to cut the grass like that with a machine or, manually, but you can also mow the lawn, to mow the lawn. Okay. And that's it. Okay. So the characters are the child, Mom, Mrs. Jane, and Mr. Tom. The setting is the driveways of Mom, Mrs. Jane, and Mr. Tom. You're not going to say that. It's going to say Mom's driveway, and we can also say Mom, Mrs. Jane, and Mr. Tom's driveways. So the problem is the child wants a toy, but he has no money to buy the toy. The child shovels her mom's driveway, and the driveways, that's, well, the child, we don't know if it's a boy or a girl. That's why we say he's or her. And the driveways of Mrs. Jane and Mr. Tom to earn the money. In America, we're going to just say Mrs. Jane and Mr. Tom's driveways. What other jobs could he do to earn money? Well, he could make a lot of chores. A lot of help older people, clean up, mow the lawn, etc. That's it. So, let's do one more thing. I had a very, very busy week. So I am doing this even though I am tired, but I'll do it anyway. So this is page 18 or 17. They say 18 on the side, but it's 17. Swing set, television, glasses, stove, car, candy. I'm sure you know what is a candy. A car as well, a television, the glasses to read. The stove is where you cook in the kitchen, okay? And swing set, well, we'll see. What tastes sweet? So don't forget to pronounce this S in English. What tastes sweet? Tastes sweet. Sorry. What tastes sweet? You don't really hear it because you say sweet after. Okay? Tastes sweet. Tastes sweet. Okay? What can we write in? Okay, so sweet is candy. Candy tastes sweet. Or we can just say a candy is sweet. What can we ride in? Well, we can ride in a car, or we can ride a car. What can you watch? Well, you can watch, or I can watch television. What can you cook on? Well, you can cook on a stove. What can you look through? You can look through glasses. What can we see at the park? Swing set. The swing. Okay, you go back and forth, the swing. The cat. My cat is funny. Cat is a noun. Her name is Fluffy. The name is a noun. She likes to play with yarn. This is his yarn. It's a noun. Fluffy also sleeps a lot, and it's a verb. I think Fluffy is very cute, an adjective. And one more. Today I went into outer space. So the cosmos, where he is now, right now, it's called the outer space. Okay, outer space. So the thing is British, they're gonna pronounce a T, but Americans will pronounce just a D, some kind of a TD, outer space. Okay, into outer space. So into is like inside. So it's very confusing because you are like, well, I'm going outside in the universe, but it's like you are getting into the universe, into the outer space. I saw a lot of stars. So outer space is a noun. Stars, a noun. Timmy went with me. Went is like yesterday, the past. Okay, something we did yesterday. So this is the past of to go. So I can say I go to the restaurant, for instance. I go to school. I'm going to school. But if I want to say that, well, I did that yesterday. It's done. I went to school. So it's a past. We were home in time for dinner. Many teachers, and I heard it, sorry to say that, but to say on time. And it's a big mistake. So we were home in time for dinner. Okay. We can use on time, but not like that. It's a different context. So this is when you see if an English teacher studied English or not. So tomorrow we will go to the moon, a noun. Okay. Home is a noun, went is a verb, stars is a noun, and outer space, space, just space is a noun. Okay. So anyway, we can also do more stuff, but it's just to tell you, to teach you about the nouns and the verbs. Okay. So let me just do a last thing, just one more thing. So now this is a book I've used with you guys on the first video and the second video, and this is the third video, I think. I don't really count that, but anyway. So you're gonna be like, well, no, I don't remember. Yes, you do, because look, can I show you something? We talked about the sentences, remember? With a statement, the question, exclamation. Okay? So statement on affirmation, it's with a dot, a period. Question, question mark. Exclamation, exclamation mark. Okay? The noun, what is a noun? A person, a place, or a thing. Okay? But be careful of the people, because we need an uppercase or a capital letter. The days of the week also have capital letters. Okay? The name of each month, also capital letter. So we saw also the plural. One spider, two spiders. One web, two webs. Okay. Well, we have also these weird nouns like bench. You know, at the park, you sit on a bench. Benches. Box, boxes. Glass, glasses. Wish, wishes. I wish I could be a queen. I wish I could be rich. I wish I could be somewhere else. So, and we also have these really strange nouns. They have no S whatsoever. So like for instance, 1 foot, 2 feet, 1 child, 2 children, 1 mouse, 2 mice. And I hear a lot of people making this mistake. 1 tooth, 2 teeth, 1 man, 2 men. So man, 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 man. Goose, geese. This is a large. Oh, let me show you because we have this. So we're gonna say goose, and this don't show. There we go. This must be like that. Okay, a goose. You have different kinds of goose, but you know what? They are loud, very loud. L-O-U-D, loud. So, but you know when you have that, you can also say woman, women, woman, women. Okay. So be careful of this as well, because if you want an S, the plural is masks. Okay, masks, classes, dishes, buses, women with an E. And one more. Verbs. A verb is a word that shows action. The verb is after the subject. You know, my cat eats. Eats, the verb. Okay, so Tam sings a song. That's a verb. What does Tam do? What does he do? What is he doing? He sings or he's singing. Some verbs tell about now. So we add an S to these verbs. Like Tam puts on her hat. Some verbs tell about the past. So we add ed. But we saw the past of to go is went. So it's a different verb. Okay. Dan, and I don't want to hear looked. No, looked. Looked for his dog. Okay. Many English teachers make this mistake as well. They don't pronounce well the ed. So looked for his dog. To look for is to search. Okay. So where is a verb? Rick bakes a cake. Bakes. Meg picked the plates. Picked. Jill helped. Helped. I need to hear the T. Helped them too. She takes the spoons out. Takes. We jump up and down. Okay. That is a verb. Now we have more verbs. It can be is, are, where, was, were, this kind of stuff. Okay. But we'll do that tomorrow if I have time, if I'm not like completely exhausted. You have a nice weekend and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.